Good day, traders. It's Monday today, starting a little late. Usually I start like 45 minutes ago or so. Oh well. Anyway, today they were very, very stop hunt happy today. Uh, and and then sloppy choppy crap like in here. Waste people's time. Look at this shit right here. Anyway, this is the NASDAQ. We're looking at the 5-minute today because the 1-minute would be a mess because it's too choppy, sloppy, going sideways. That's what it likes to do. Today, that's what they like to do. You'd think with a low and a lower low there's some divergence, but I don't think there is unless I just saw it now. Wow. Why did I see that different earlier? Huh. I don't know. I thought for sure this was lower on this side than this side. Anyway, let's show some trades here. So the first trade setup was right here that I seen. Right there. And you would have got in after the cross down. See the 5 below the 7? Yeah. Another thing I want to say is, I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but I used to get 1080 clarity. Now they're only giving me 720, so they're doing fucking something. The bastards. I don't know why they're doing that other than I guess they're using less bandwidth and they save money. And they don't give a shit. But that's what I'm getting off of fucking YouTube is 720, dots per square inch DPI. Okay, let's move over here. There's also a trade over here. We have a high and a higher high. And this right here. Okay, that was divergent. And you would have got short right in there. Stop at the swing high, 20 points, and it went down 88 points until the next setup, which was just before the open. The open is right here of the stock market. So if you did this trade, you would have got in before the market opened, okay? You would have got in there, and it went down like 50 points. And then we apparently had another one. I thought we didn't. We have a low retracement, lower low, okay? And a low from here, right up to there. And there you have it. And you would have got in. I did this trade today. I didn't see the divergence, to be honest with you. Like I told you, sometimes they just slide by and you don't see it, right? I wanted to get in here, but I blinked my eyelash or something, and I got in way up here. Yeah, because it was moving. Once it broke through here, it just zoomed up quickly on that candle, and I couldn't get my better price. So anyway, yeah, I got in right there and then suffered through the drawdown and waited and it drove you crazy and it finally went up here. And I only got out right here because that's all I needed. I didn't need for it to go all the way up there. I'm a scalper, so that's the way I like to trade. Just had some water there. Sorry about that. Okay, so anyway, lower close, buy it on the opening of this candle, and up it goes, as you can see. So we had some good trades here on the NASDAQ. Now we're getting a double top right now, as you can see. It's 11:25 right now, just to let you know. I started late here. I was trading, that's why. And the S&P 500, what did it deliver us? It's not something we could put on the 1 minute today. We would have got chopped up. See, we had that same high, retracement higher high right here, but it's not divergent like it was on the NASDAQ. Know what I mean? I'm sure you do. But we did have a trade. Well, we did have those, you know. We had a whole bunch of those, you know, higher close, sell it down it goes, and lower close, buy it up it goes. You know, we had lots of those all the way down here and all the way down here. You know what they look like. I don't need to draw any in, but I'll draw in a couple. What the hell? Draw in a couple. Okay. So here's a good one right here. Right there. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. All the way down, all the way down. Here's another good one. Right there. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Okay? All the way down. Then where did we have some ones to buy it up? Well, lower close, buy it, up it goes. It also has a very strong hookup, a hookup. Right there. The first candle closed down below the 2 moving averages. The next one came up, so right there on the opening of this candle right here, you would have got long. Right there. And it went up 3.5 points because this is the NASDAQ. I mean, this is the S&P 500. And that's it that I can see for that. Well, you could have done another one here, but you probably would have lost on it. That's what it looks like. It's not always going to work, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let's move on now to the Dow Jones. Oh, not too good. But we had a good one here. High and higher highs. Okay. Right here, it's stuck out at you like a sore thumb. See, when you see it's like just like that and like this, it's just beautiful. Like a beautiful blonde lady with blue eyes. Yes. Yes. So we had a higher close. Sell it right here, and down it goes. It was good. It was good. It was like 63 points. And then, of course, we had the, you know, the hook down. Let me show you the hook down now. It's right here, closed up here. Okay. Closed above the moving averages. The next candle opened above the moving averages. And then right down here, the next candle, you would have got short right here. Oh, it would have been scary. It would have went right back almost to your stop. See how quick, or I mean how close it came to your stop if you were to use that for a stop. But anyway, so if you would have got short there, would have won against you 25 points. But it definitely did go down in your favor after 35 points if you wanted to trade one of those kind of setups. If you just wanted to do the divergence, well, that's up here, right here. Right here, you would have got short. Oh, that's in the wrong place. Have I got that? Oh, that's no. It's this one. This one opened up right here. You would have got short right there. Yeah, you can see it better on the other candle. You would have got short there. Went down 52 points. Yeah. Let's look at the pound dollar now. It was really stop hunt happy today. Oh my God, they just kept going after. Look at this. So Right here, people started buying. Look what they did. They came down and they got their stops right there. Let me make it bigger so you can see it better. People got long in there. They came and got the stop. People got long in here. They came and got the stop. People got long in here thinking, oh yeah, it's going to go way up here. They came right down and they got your stops right there, motherfuckers. They were really screwing with people. Then look, they didn't end it there. Look at this shit. People, went up. If there are people selling here, they went up and they got your stop right there. And again, people selling again in here, they came right up again and got your stop, got some of yous. And then again, they came back up. You see how they were stunt? Stop, hunt, happy today. The frickin' Brits in England. Yes. Anyway. But we then had a trade to sell. I wouldn't have, because it was all up, trend up, trend up, trend up. I would do no selling here. Can you see how our moving averages stopped us? And our higher time frames at the time were bullish. So we would have never got sucked into this, into getting our stops taken, if you follow, the rules of my trading system with the 5 above the 7. Excuse me. So there was no trade to sell it up here after a long trending day. When you see a long trending day, like when the UK opened or whatever, don't go trying to sell it in the US session, because you're just going to get in trouble. You know what I mean? You're going to get in trouble. So that's what they did with the pound today. What about the euro? Same shit? Yeah, kinda. Excuse me. Just did the hockaloogie boogie. Okay. Same thing. Look at this. Went after stops. Went after the stops. Went after stops right up here. See that? Came down again after the stops. A final swoop down to get your stops. Then the motherfuckers take it up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. There's not even hidden divergence here to fucking buy it up. And look right up here. Oh, they weren't happy with all the fucking stops they took out down here. Look up here. People were buying in here, right? Where would they put their stop? They'd put it right there. Where did they come back and get your stop? Right fucking there where I'm pointing. It's just an overall bad day to trade the euro or the pound today. If you put it on the 15, you might not have seen that, but still, it was a stop hunt day today. That's what they did. They just keep coming after your stop because they can't find any other way to get you. So they got to get you. Pound yen, what did it do? It looks like shit today too. Yeah, see? There's the stops right here. They came and got the stops. Here's the stops right here after that, after it went up, and they came back again and scared the living bejesus out of you. So even if it didn't hit your stop, they would have scared you out of your trade because it came so close to your stop. See what I mean? Yeah. But we did have one divergence trade, and it did line up perfectly. Okay, right there. And right there. Okay. All lines up perfectly. See? Right there, right there. You would have got long in here. Let me make the chart bigger. There you go. Clean breakaway. Never came back to your stop. Went up 34 pips. And then it had another divergence setup right here to right there. Okay. See right there and right there, that lines up. Believe me, when you're on the chart and you're looking for this and you finally see it and you go, oh yeah, there it is. You just have to wait. Just have to wait for the cross up, which is right here. Say you saw it over here, right? Like you drew the line, you just wait it out, man. Wait it out, wait it out, wait it out. None of these gave a real good signal because of my filter that I've never told anybody about it yet. It's in my course. If you want it, it's in my course. You see, I combined a few of my trading systems ideas. The best ideas I had in the three, if I could stuttering, in the 3 or 4, I can't even remember now how many I came up with. 3 or 4 good ones. And I took all the ideas from it and I combined it. So I built, what you're looking at right now is my creation of many years from long ago that I took the best things from each one and scrapped the rest of it. Like, there was one system I came out, it was called, it was a really good name. It was called Forex U-Turn, okay? And it looked really good at first, and then after a while, no, it didn't look. And I took it down, and I stopped trying to sell something that doesn't really work, because that's how honest I am, okay? So, anyway, I'm just trying to tell you I took the best of my best, and I put it all into this right here, and that's what it is. Okay, let's move on now to the Euro Yen. I tell you what, I know it's got hidden. It's got hard to see hidden divergence in it. And there it is there. Same kind of thing. You had to wait a while before you got the clean signal to take it north. Yeah. So you would have gone in right there. Yeah. And it went up 20. Oh my God, I got the hiccups now. Around 27 pips. I got the hiccups. Whoa, man, what's going on? I just had some harvest crunch. I've been looking for it in the store for like 3 months now. They freaking stopped producing it. They're striking outside. Must be a union company. Anyway, I finally found some harvest crunch. I think it's so rich with, I don't know, it's making me hiccup right now. That's a Canadian cereal, Harvest Crunch. Because Quaker, who makes the oats, I'm pretty sure they're from Canada, man. Yeah, it's not an American famous cereal. It's unbelievable that there's I know I have to do a sidestep here, but believe it or not, back in the, I think it was the 1920s or 30s, somewhere back then, where they discovered Kellogg's cornflakes. The one guy burnt the freaking the corn or whatever, and they made a cereal with it and sold billions of dollars worth of fucking cornflakes. Anyway, back then a lot of people, farmers and whatever, they would eat like real high fat foods like bacon and eggs every day for breakfast and steak and whatever for dinner and really high fat stuff. And a lot of people got sick, very sick, and because of their diet and what they were eating. And so Kellogg's himself, Mr. Kellogg, I think his name was, well, maybe not. He figured out a way to help these people, and they actually had a hospital back then. It was named after like Kellogg's, kind of like cornflakes kind of thing. I saw this on TV. Anyway, They brought people in there that were very sick, and they started feeding them, I'm not kidding you, man, Kellogg's cornflakes. And within a very short time, like a month to 2 months, people stopped feeling sick. So they realized, hey, I can't have bacon and eggs every day. I'm going to have some cornflakes instead. And they're all better now. Yeah. I saw that on a documentary on TV. So if you're feeling a little, down, whatever, maybe you're eating too much high food, try and just slow down and eat some cereal, some good, healthy cereal, where you don't put a bunch of sugar on it. But anyway, there's my Kellogg's cereal story. And I had some Harvest Crunch today from Quaker Oats. Good stuff. Okay. Shut up about that, Jason. Move on. Oil. Oh, yeah, oil. Yeah. Oh, I'm tired. Already getting tired. Okay, let's do this. We have a double top right there. Okay. And we have a lower low right there. And it was a fake out. Look at that. So you would have got short there. And it went down 34 ticks. It's definitely a good trade. Once you got in, it never came back to your stop up here at the swing high. Now did it. Now, let's check this out here. Here is the signal. You would have got in right on the opening of this candle, and guess what happened? It went straight down to hell and got your stop, because your stop would be at the swing low. So you would have lost 22 pip points, 22 ticks on that. This is oil we're looking at. Okay. So you would have got stopped out. There's another filter I have in my course that I don't talk about. But anyway, I can't give everything all to you for free on the internet. I give you most of it, but not all of it. I still have a few tricks up my sleeve to increase profits and reduce losses. So, anyway, so if you're brave enough to try it again, a low retracement, lower low. Okay, so that would have been from right here. And this one would have been right here to right here, okay? They were both divergent setups. A+ setups. Oh, yeah. Just 10 more clicks, 10 more likes, and I'll give you an A+ setup. Sorry, I have to laugh at that. Oh, yeah, it's funny. Anyway, you'd only know if you watch these guys. You'd only know what the fuck I'm talking about. Anyway, so we would have got long here. Again, right here. Okay? Would have got long. Went up 30 pips, came back down, and went up eventually 150. Look at fucking oil, eh? Right up to $83 a barrel. I think they're saying they're going to push it into the 90s. Maybe the 100. Who knows? Who knows? We got a selection coming up. What do you want? Not an election. Selection. Okay. So up it went. See, so there's a lower close, but it's too far from the 5. No trade. Lower close, still too far from the 5. This one might have been able to do this one. Way the fook up here. Okay, lower close, buy it, up it goes. That is oil. Now let's look at the very last component, instrument of the day, which is gold, which I don't like to trade because it's not divergent friendly. However, we did have some divergence here, high and higher high. Yeah. Probably like to look at this on the 15-minute instead. Oh, look at that stuff. Wow. You had a double bottom there on the 15-minute. Okay. That's about all I can show you. I don't know what else to say. We can go back to the 5. Yeah. You could have done it on the 5 too, hey? Yeah, I could have done it on the 5 as well. Here's one here, though. Right here to here. Right here to here. And you'd go up with it, right? You'd be a buyer. You'd have bought right in there. And it went up 118 ticks to the top. So anyway, I want to thank you for coming out today and watching the show. I appreciate it. If you liked the show, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So we'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Hopefully it'll be a little bit of a better day. Today there was really no news or anything. When the news came out about housing or some fucking shit, some people think that that's news for these it's not. 99% of the time, it doesn't move. Like today, it didn't move. The NASDAQ didn't move when the news, the home sales or whatever the hell they were came out. Unless, there was a huge deviation from what they were calling, it to be, right? It might move a little bit, but today it didn't move. It just laughed. It laughed, it choked, it farted, and it said, yeah, whatever. There's nothing here for you. So anyway, thank you again. If you trade this afternoon, trade safe, please. This is Jason signing off. Good luck and good trading.